uh, uh. Mic check. 1 2 1 2. Yeah, y'all, what's up? It's Mark J back in this piece once again. Over hip hop, yeah. Yo, y'all know the drum was a form of communication, right? Y'all know that. And it still is. Drum that beats in our soul. Hip hop, yo, hip hop, yo, hip hop. Drum still beats in hip hop. That's how we communicate here. Y'all know what hip hop is, right? It's a form. It's a culture. It's a voice of a generation. And you know, I was born in 75, but you know, the beat of my soul didn't start drumming until 1990. That's when my heart started beating. So what I do is, I take this culture, hip hop,